The aim of this video is to explain some of the elements on the editor. So to get to the editor, we click on Add a New Discussion Topic. And you can see the discussion topic comes up. What is your new discussion topic? So I'm just going to make up the topic of details on editor. And as you look across the 3 lines of editing, let's talk about some of these. First one is font family, and you can select from a number of possible fonts. I tend to stick with Times New Roman. You can then pick a font size, and again I'm just going for the purpose of this to add a 12-point font. And paragraph. If you have headings, you might use one of these heading types, but I'm just going to stick with paragraph. As you write your message in the message box, at some point you may want to change that, what you just did, and one of the ways to do that is to hit the undo button. And if you end up deleting more than you wanted to delete, you can hit the redo button. There is also a button for finding. So if there's something in the text that you need to find, you can click on that and put in what it is you seek to find. And then if you want to replace that with something, you can click on the Find Replace button. This button allows you to expand to a full screen mode. So if you want to just open it out and type to your heart's content, you can open it out to a full screen mode, and that will give you the large message space in which you might be able to see all that you've written. The second line includes the bolding, the italics, and the underlining. Then there is a strike-through feature, plus there is subscript and superscript. This is margin left, align everything to the left. This is to align to the center, and this is aligned to the right. You may want to use those in different circumstances. If you're putting a heading onto what you're writing, you might want to have it centered. So you'd hit Align Center. If you want to add text that you've written in another form, you could copy that text and then paste it as plain text. More commonly would be, for those who use Microsoft Word, copying some element of Microsoft Word and pasting it. Then you can determine or decide upon the color of the text that you're going to write. So for example, if I click on this, it should open and allow me to select the text color. Oh, of course, I have to click right here. So if I want my text in, say, green, I would just put that and start typing. This is green. This is background. The next one is background color, and again, if you wanted to change the color of the background and make it, who knows, pink, that would change the color of the background. This is basically, we're writing mainly in English, so the direction of the text is from left to right. If we were using Hebrew or Arabic, it would be the direction would be right to left that you'd click on. This is for bullet points. If you want to make bullet points in your text, just click on that and put those in. This is for ordering a list, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for indent. So if I wanted to take my text here and indent it, that would move it. If we wanted to move it back, outdent, that would move it back. Here is what I'd click if I wanted to insert a link to another element, another text. Here is the way to undo that link, and this one prevents automatic linking. You can also choose to use special characters in your text, and they include, among other things, the Greek alphabet. And then finally we have the feature of spell checker. You click on that feature, the languages are given, you pick the language you're working in, and then you just hit the spell checker, and in this case it's going to check and indicate that there are no misspellings found. So these are the main features that you have on the editor. Some of the other features I haven't talked about, I'll talk about on the next video. So if you were working and you've done your editing and you're ready to post, you'd simply hit post to forum. You would have 30 minutes to further edit that post, and that's basically the features we find on Editor.